if I told you that there is a hidden switch inside your Firestick? A switch that, once flipped, unlocks a secret door to everything you have ever wanted to watch. Movies, TV shows, live sports, all of it. Most people use their Firesticks the boring way, paying for 5 different subscriptions and still not finding anything to watch. But today, I'm going to give you the key to a hidden digital vault. I'm not going to tell you the name of this secret tool just yet, because I want you to focus on the setup first. Trust me, by the time we reveal it, your device will be transformed. This method I'm about to show you is usually kept quiet in the streaming community. It does not require a computer, it does not require you to root your device, and it works on every single Firestick and Android TV box out there. We are going to install a master installer, a single app that acts as a bridge to thousands of others. But before we can get this secret weapon, we need to prepare our device. Grab your remote. We need to start by getting the Gateway app. This is the only official app you will need from the Amazon store. Go to the Find menu on your home screen. That's the magnifying glass icon. Click on it and navigate down to the search bar. I want you to type in the word Downloader, D-O-W-N. You will see it pop up in the list almost immediately. It's the orange icon with the white arrow. This app is going to be our tunnel to the outside world. Click on it. Go ahead and hit Download or Get. It's free and takes about 10 seconds to install. Now pay close attention. Once that button turns to open, stop. Do not click it yet. I repeat, do not open the app yet. If you open it now, the secret installer will not work because we haven't granted the system permissions yet. Press the home button on your remote and let's go change those settings. We need to trick your Firestick into accepting files that Amazon doesn't want you to have. Go to the far right of your menu to the settings gear. Drop down and scroll over to the tile that says My Fire TV. Click on that. Look for developer options. If you don't see it, don't panic. Amazon hides it on new devices. Here's the secret knock. Click on About. Then highlight your device name. It might say Fire TV Stick 4K. While highlighting it, press the center button on your remote 7 times fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You will see a message appear that says, You are now a developer. Once you see that, press the back button once. Now you'll see developer options on the menu. Click it. First, turn on ADB debugging. This allows the secret installer to communicate with your system. Next, go down to Install Unknown Apps. This is the most critical switch. Find the downloader app in this list. Right now it says Off. Click it so it says On. You have just given the downloader permission to bring in the secret files we are about to fetch. Without this step, the installation would fail instantly. Press the home button. We are ready. Open the downloader app in your apps list. You will see a prompt asking for permission to access files. You must click Allow. If you don't, the app can't save the secret installer. Click OK on the Quick Start Guide. You are now looking at a URL bar. This is where the magic happens. We are seconds away from typing in the code that unlocks everything. But pause. Before we punch in those numbers, we need to secure your connection. Because we are stepping outside of the Amazon store, your internet activity is visible to everyone, your ISP, app developers, and hackers. If you stream without protection, your internet speed will be throttled and you could face blocks. This is why I use NordVPN. It makes you invisible online. It encrypts your traffic so nobody can see what you are watching or downloading. It also helps you bypass geoblocks so you can watch content from other countries. It is the best insurance policy for your Firestick. If you don't have NordVPN, you can get it from the link given below in the description and avail 74% off. That is a huge saving. Seriously, pause the video, click the link, and create your account. Once you're connected and that light turns green, come back here. It's the only way to be 100% safe. All right, you're protected. Now let's get the secret tool. Click into the URL box in Downloader. We are going to use a direct access code. Type this exactly, 4152509. Again, that is 4152509. This code is a shortcut that bypasses the searching and takes you straight to the file. Click Go. You'll see a countdown. 5, 4, 3, and there it is. The file is downloading. And now I can finally tell you the name of the secret tool. It is called Unlinked. This isn't just an app. It is a vault. Click Install when the window pops up. Then click Done. Do not open it yet. We have to grant Unlinked the same power we gave the downloader. Go back to your home screen, then Settings, My Fire TV, and Developer Options. Go back in to Install Unknown Apps. You will see Unlinked is now on the list, but it is off. Click it to turn it on. Now Unlinked has the power to build your new streaming setup. This is the final key. Now open the Unlinked app. You will see a clean, empty screen. It looks mysterious, right? That is because it is waiting for a library code. This is where you customize your experience. Click on Add New Library. You will see a box asking for a code. Now back to the Unlinked. Open the Unlinked, then tap on Add New Library and write everything. Then hit Go. You can type in the code Firestick here to access a popular community store or search online for other unlinked codes. Once you type it, hit the Go button. And just like that, the vault is open. Look at this list. You have movie apps, live TV apps, sports tools, and system cleaners. It's all here in one place. You can simply click on any app you want, like Cinema HD or SportsFire, and it will download instantly. No more typing long URLs for every single app. So there you have it. The secret is out. You have successfully installed Unlinked and transformed your Firestick into a powerhouse. Remember, to keep this working smoothly and privately, keep that NordVPN connected. Use the link in the description to avail that 74% off deal before it expires. If you enjoyed this secret reveal, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. We have more secrets coming soon. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.